Imagine waking up every morning, doing what you love, and getting paid for it. This is the dream of many aspiring YouTubers. YouTube has transformed countless lives, turning hobbies into full-time careers. Whether you're passionate about gaming, beauty, travel, or tech, there's an audience just waiting for your content. When I first started, I had no idea where this journey would take me. I was just a guy with a camera, sharing my world. But with dedication and smart strategies, I turned my passion into a profitable venture. You can do the same. This essay will guide you through the steps to get monetized on YouTube fast. Everyone starts somewhere. Even the biggest channels were once at 0 subscribers. The key is to begin, stay consistent, and follow proven techniques. Keep reading to discover how you can make your YouTube dreams come true. Before you can start making money on YouTube, you need to meet certain criteria. These requirements are designed to ensure that only serious and engaged creators are monetized. Here's what you need to know. First, you need at least 1,000 subscribers. This might sound daunting, but with the right content and promotion, it's achievable. Subscribers are your loyal audience, and having a solid base shows YouTube that people enjoy your content. Next, you need 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This means people need to have watched your videos for a total of 4,000 hours. It's a measure of engagement and consistency. Creating longer, engaging videos can help you reach this goal faster. Finally, you must comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. This includes avoiding copyrighted material and maintaining a positive community guideline status. Understanding and following these rules is crucial for long-term success. Now that you know the requirements, let's talk about how to meet them quickly. Start by creating quality content. Focus on a niche you are passionate about. Quality videos attract more viewers and keep them coming back. Promote your channel on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with your audience and encourage them to subscribe. This can help you reach your subscriber goal faster. Consistency is key. Upload regularly and stick to a schedule. Whether it's twice a week or once a month, your audience should know when to expect new content. This not only helps with viewer retention, but also improves your chances of being recommended by YouTube. Finally, interact with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. Engaged viewers are more likely to watch your videos for longer periods, helping you reach the 4,000 watch hours requirement. Section 4. Diversifying your income streams. Once you're monetized, the opportunities to make money expand. The most obvious way is through ad revenue. YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn money based on views and clicks. But that's just the beginning. Consider joining the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn from super chats during live streams and channel memberships. Fans can pay to support your work, and you can offer exclusive content or perks in return. Affiliate marketing is another excellent income stream. Promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to earn passive income. Lastly, think about creating your own products or services. This could be anything from merchandise to online courses. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize your earnings and make your YouTube career more sustainable. Section 5. The potential earnings. What to expect. So, how much can you really make on YouTube? The answer varies. Some YouTubers earn a few $100s a month, while others make millions. Your earnings depend on your niche, audience size, and monetization strategies. Ad revenue is the most common income source. On average, you can earn between $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. While this might seem small, it adds up quickly with a large audience. Don't underestimate the power of consistent, engaging content. In addition to ad revenue, sponsorships can significantly boost your income. Brands pay YouTubers to promote their products, and these deals can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s per video. Remember, it's not just about the money. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Focus on creating valuable content, and the earnings will follow. Be patient, stay dedicated, and keep pushing forward. Section 6. Conclusion. Your journey starts now. Starting a YouTube channel might seem intimidating, but with the right approach, it's entirely achievable. Follow the steps outlined in this essay, stay consistent, and never lose sight of your passion. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the day you receive your first paycheck from YouTube. It's a validation of your hard work and dedication. Every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. What sets them apart is their persistence and willingness to learn. The best time to start your YouTube journey is now. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the best equipment. Begin with what you have and improve along the way. Your audience is out there, waiting to discover your content. Take the leap and make your YouTube dreams a reality.